Tourists who want to go to the beaches of Puerto Galera will no longer need to undergo swab test or saliva test. The local government has removed it in the list of travel requirements. On Facebook, Puerto Galera Mayor Rocky Ilagan announced tourists will only need to show medical certificate to enter the municipality. The local government has also decided to open Puerto Galera's 2 ports. Ilagan explained the high cost of water taxis and COVID-19 tests have discouraged tourists from visiting Puerto Galera. It has also caused the local economy to fall. He stressed it's being done in other tourist towns. Ilagan, however, told his constituents it was one of the hardest decisions he ever made.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.